Oh, welcome to the Vibe Coding with Cloud Code CLI and SST OpenCode. This is a course that is focused on how to use these tools effectively to build and debug any coding app, regardless of the language they're building, the environment they are hosted into, and their scope or business logic. My name is RB Lazy, and I have over 10 years of experience with coding and 7 years of production experience, uh, basically industry experience in software development and engineering. I also have been dabbling on AI for the last 2 years and hold a master degree with AI focus. However, in this course, we are not going to delve in how AI works and how to build your own AI. We're just going to see how we can effectively use currently existing and proprietary, basically paid tools to make our software development experience 10 times better. And of course, help us build applications 10 times faster. In this course, in the next lectures, after a certain introduction of theory, we are going to build a to-do app. But beware, it's not going to be a very simple to-do app. It's not going to be a generic one. It's basically going to replicate as much as it can of the Microsoft Teams features. So enjoy the course and welcome aboard.